Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make an Among Us platformer game, part 2. In this part, we'll make the gravity for the sprites and the jumping system. Let's make it. First things first, we'll change y by -1 in here. Then control, go if touching color, take this black here, and then we're going to motion. We'll change y by 1, then we'll duplicate this and duplicate these two again one more time. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could be -5. Then we'll change x by time, x times -1. And then we're going to control, going to if else key, up arrow pressed. Then we're going to set the y to 12, and then going to control, another if else block here, more than sign, variables, x is more than 0, then we'll set x to say -20, -12, else we'll set x to 12, and then in here we'll set x to 0. Let's do that. And that's somewhere. So now we're going to motion. We'll change y by y. Let's see that. And then going to control, if touching color black, and we're going to change y by operators times y times say -1. Which one? Okay. So the gravity works, but there's something not working. Okay, so that's it. And then we will say set y to 0, and then motion, we'll change y by -1, and we're going to if touching color black, operators, and sensing key up arrow pressed. Then we're going to set y to 12, and then we will change Y by 1. Let's test it. And there you go. And there you go, you have your platformer working. So we need some code because you can't just let me show you. You can't jump while that does it. So fix that. We'll go to control. If not touching color black, then we will go to motion, change Y by -1, duplicate it, duplicate again, and again, and I will change this to 5. So let's see, and there you go. So now we have our platformer working. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next part. Bye.